parents out there. Today on Sneaky Snacks, we're gonna replace that high caloric, high in sugar peanut butter with healthy fiber-filled dates, and your kids will never know. And my daughter will be the little guinea pig to prove it. Let's get started making today's sneaky snack, date caramel dip. My daughter absolutely loves apples, but this would be great on crackers or even some toast. So you will need 1.5 cups of Natural Delights Medjool dates, almond butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, a pinch of salt, 5 to 4 teaspoons of water or as needed, 2 apples, and a blender or food processor. We love using Natural Delights because they contain natural sugars, they're high in fiber, and seriously, they are so delicious. First, we need to add our Medjool dates. I like to roughly chop these and then add them to the blender and then blend. After that's all blended up, you're gonna add your almond butter, your vanilla, your maple syrup, water, and a pinch of salt. We're gonna blend this together for 30 seconds and then keep blending and adding water until the desired consistency is reached. Next, let's cut up our apples and get ready to taste test. Now let's see what the little taste tester thinks. You can find Natural Delights dates at your local store or order them online. Be sure to subscribe for more great sneaky snacks and let me know in the comments if you have another sneaky snack you love.